Welcome to Sky Broking Equity Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult a financial advisor. Now let's see the fundamental analysis. Checking out the global cues, Wall Street widely expects the Fed to formally announce it is ready to start tapering its asset purchases, and now the debate shifts to how soon it will signal that it is ready to raise interest rates. Financial markets are pricing in 2 rate hikes by the Fed next year, largely because inflation pressures are not easing up anytime soon. For the Fed's blessing on interest rate hikes, the unemployment rate needs to be lower than 4.3% and inflation will need to remain high. Moving on to domestic cues, India will have a shortened week with the Diwali holidays falling on Thursday and Friday. A slow week for data, with the highlight of being market services and manufacturing PMIs on Monday, which should show that the economy continues to recover after the last Delta wave. India's balance of trade on Tuesday could show stress on the import side as the cost of imported energy skyrockets and the northern India struggles with power blackouts. A rally in oil next week will be a headwind for local equities. The major results of this week will be HDFC Limited and IRCTC on Monday, Bharti Airtel and Sun Pharma on Tuesday, Eicher Motor and SBI on Wednesday, and Divis Lab on Saturday. This week, 4th November, has only 1 hour Muhurt trading. The timing will be between 6:15 pm to 7:15 pm, and on account of Diwali, Friday NSE will have a holiday. So these are this week's fundamental analysis. Now let's move on to the technical analysis. Until Nifty closes below 17,459 levels, it does not think about the correction, and the short covering rally is expected with resistances are 17,992 and 18,361 levels. Until Bank Nifty closes below 38,300 levels, it doesn't think about any correction, and short covering rally will be expected with resistances of 40,530 levels. So these are this week's technical analysis. Now let's look into the derivative analysis. Based on the option chain analysis, highest open interest for call side is 18,000 strike and for the put side is 17,000 strike. Overall 1,000 points band and expiry is on 3rd November. According to the PCR analysis, Nifty PCR OI has decreased with Nifty negative close, and when compared with the previous week, which shows huge call writing is seen. India VX has settled in 17.42, and when compared with the previous week, it had ended slightly low, which shows mild decreasing in the volatility. This week, Nifty and Bank Nifty weekly option expiry is on 3rd November, that's on Wednesday. So these are this week's derivative analysis. Now let's check out the recommendations. Coming to the cash corner, buy ABB above 2,150, the target is 2,255 with the stop loss 2,050. Buy Chambal Fertilizer at 370, the target is 383 with the stop loss 358. Moving to the F&O corner, buy Bank Nifty future near 39,550, the target is 39,750 with the stop loss 39,350. And the option strategy, long strangle buy Bank Nifty 39,600 call option above 280 and 39,100 put option above 260. 3rd November will be the expiry. Total buy premium is 540, the target is 740 and the stop loss is 340. Moving to the institutional activity, according to the previous week, the FII net sellers were minus 15,702.26 crores, and on the October month, the FII net sellers were minus 25,572.19 crores. According to the previous week, the DII net buyers were 9,427.23 crores, and on the October month, the DII net buyers were 4,470.99 crores. So these are this week's Equity Weekly Market Commentary. For more profits and information, visit our website www.skybroking.com. Sky Broking wishes you all a very big happy Diwali with sparkles and colors. Thank you.